Hafa I'm John Fernandez, Superintendent of the Guam Department of Education. Thank you for visiting GDOE's Home Learning Resources page. During this current COVID-19 pandemic, our first priority should be staying safe and staying home. But this doesn't mean that learning has to stop. Our administrators, teachers, and staff have worked hard to provide you with online resources and weekly lessons that you can use to stay sharp and to challenge yourself. So take a look around, take time to use the resources, and let's keep learning. Si Duas Ma'asi, and stay safe.
Hafa and welcome to our home learning resource page. To access the website, type in www.gdoe.net and click on Home Learning Resources. This will take you to the main homepage for the website. On the homepage, you will find the links to specific grade levels and other useful information. As you scroll down, you will find special messages from very special people who have worked together to create this. Wondering how this site could work for you? We have tips for how to use this site, plus ways to modify the content to meet the different needs of our learners. We value your feedback, so if you have time, please complete our survey. In a moment, you will see the pages for each grade level. But before that, let's see our recommended online resource page, where you will find several websites that are specific to different grade levels, subjects, and skills. Here, you will also find other resources that have been contributed by others who value your learning during this time. These recommended websites serve different purposes, as some provide engaging information via different genres of text, while others provide opportunities for practice with specific skills in particular subjects in the form of games and activities. We hope that you can find these websites useful as you embrace digital and distance learning during this time. That sums up our homepage. Now, let's take a tour of each grade level led by our instructional coaches.
Thank you, Tara. All right, welcome to all my elementary school students and parents out there. My name is Frankie Indolatio. Students call me Mr. I, and I am joined by my sidekick here, the very hungry caterpillar, and we're going to show you around our elementary school page. So let's check it out. On the top, you will see an elementary tab, and when you hover over that, you will be presented with 6 grade levels from kindergarten through 5th. So if you are a 3rd grader, you simply just click on the 3rd grade tab. And that will bring you to this page here where you have reading, math, and character education. So you can decide which content you want to focus on for the day. So let's say you want to do math, just click on the math link, and that will bring you into your first math lesson for the week. There are 8 weeks that will be presented to all of you. So feel free to check them out and enjoy learning. And on to you, Joanne.
Thanks, Frankie. Welcome, everyone. This is our middle school page. Here at this page, you will find some activities and lessons that focus on literacy and math skills. We also included a page that has tips and ideas for students and parents to help with home learning. Now, if you click on the literacy tab, you will come to this page. And for math, you will come to this page. Now, if you wanted to download and print at your convenience, you'll just click here, one of the activities, and it'll take you here. We also included our links for your respective middle school sites. So you will go here and it'll take you to this page. And this is our middle school page. Now to high school with Melissa Duenas.
Thank you, Joanne. Hi, my name is Melissa Duenas, and I'm a high school instructional coach, and I'm here to share with you some of the components of our resource page with regards to high schools. As you can see, all of your high school websites are represented on our page. You can easily click on the link so you can see what your high schools are up to. We've also included a portion with a daily schedule to kind of help manage your time on what subjects you want to do throughout the day. And coming soon to this webpage are going to be some locally produced activities where you as a student can work on improving some of the skills you've learned this last school year to prepare you for next year. Thank you very much, and please be safe.